Hey, my name is Scott, and in this video I'm going to show you my bathroom transformation. I'll go through the works, what I did, the reasons I done it, and show you before and after, as well as the cost. But that's enough from me, so let's jump into the video. Okay folks, let's set the stage. Our bathroom has definitely seen better days. It's dull, uninspiring, and in desperate need of a makeover. But with a little creativity, elbow grease, and a touch of magic, we're going to turn this place into a sanctuary you'll never want to leave. So let's get started. With some safety goggles and a crowbar, I was ready to rip out the fixtures and tiles. I tried to be as careful as I could when I was taking out the fixtures and the tiles, because I didn't want to make any more work for myself by damaging the walls or creating a leak. Trust me, there was enough work here already. Now let's go step by step on what I did in this renovation for this bathroom. On the flooring, I decided to go for a Victorian-style floor. I thought this made things a little bit more interesting and made the floor pop up a little bit. I could see from doing my research on Pinterest that this style of floor is very popular at the moment. The walls in this room are actually surprisingly okay given its age. There's only two things that needed to be done in terms of fixing the walls. So number one, the ceiling needs to be replastered and needed to have a nice fresh skim over to make it look more modern and elegant. After ripping out the old airing cupboard, this needed a reskim as well to make sure everything looked nice and fresh. When picking what bathroom suite to install, I did toy with the idea of having a walk-in shower. However, I thought as this is a family house, this would be better to have a shower and bathroom combination. When it came to the tiles, I decided to go for a nice marble effect tile. There was also some pipes that were on show, which I didn't think looked very good, so I decided to box these in and try and make things a little bit more attractive. I decided to replace the sink with an all-in-one vanity unit and sink combo, as there was more room now that the airing cupboard had gone. I did need to replace some of the skirting boards, however, as they were looking a little bit worse for wear. Now that we've done a before and after of the bathroom, let me give you a cost analysis breakdown on what it took to get things looking fresh and modern. All in all, I think that is a great price to pay for a fully renovated bathroom with a new everything and a fresh look and a nice modern feel. If you have any suggestions on how you would have liked to have renovated the bathroom, comment below and let me know what you think. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you soon in the next video.